What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and Turn Motivation into Millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all you gotta do, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake social media accounts out there. Got a lot of fake King Hussle accounts. And y'all still falling for them and getting scammed. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, back at it again. You know, I keep dropping these gems. I keep dropping the real sauce. I'm here to help people. I want to see everybody elevate. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody be able to get these loans, credit cards, lines of credit, everything that they need, all right? So today we're going to be talking about a place where you will prosper. Well, it's a place that you can get up to $50,000 in personal loans, and it's CPN friendly. Yes, CPN friendly. So today we're going to be talking about prosper lending that you can get up to $50,000 in personal loans, and it's CPN friendly. So before we jump into it, you guys got to understand, because a lot of people be watching my videos and they don't get approved for these loans or credit cards or lines of credits that they need. And the reason for that is you guys are just jumping the gun. You just rushing into stuff, and it's a process. You got to actually have certain things in order for you to be successful in getting these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. Now, when they look at your profile, when it comes to getting these type of things, it's different factors that they look at, all right? They want to look at the debt on your credit, they want to look at your payment history, and they want to see what's your credit score, and they want to see how much you make, right? Because seeing how much you make, your bank statements, how much you make, is going to show them if you're going to be able to pay back this loan that you're requesting. Do you make enough money to pay your bills, live life, and pay back this loan on a monthly basis? So if you're paying $400 a month extra because of this loan, would that negatively impact you? Would you still have finances and capital, right? So that's why they need bank statements. And I told you guys how to start providing your own bank statements. If you're self-employed, which is majority of the people out there, and it's a lot of people that are not, but the people out there that are self-employed, you need to start going through ADP payroll provider, start generating you a money trail, a paper trail for your money, so these people can start seeing your money coming in and coming out, so you won't have to worry about that situation. So you can have your bank statement, so they can see you getting paid from this place or that place. So you need to, if you're self-employed, start running your money through ADP payroll provider so they can start seeing a paper trail of your money, all right? Second, they want to see the DTI, the debt to income ratio, on your credit profile. What's your debt on your credit profile? Do you have good debt or do you have bad debt, or are you in the middle? And what I mean by that is, when you go look at your Experian account or wherever you check your credit, if you are paying for an actual account, you have to pay for an actual account to see your actual 3 FICO scores. Anybody being lazy and cheap and think you're going to get a free credit score, you go to Credit Karma and see them Advantage 3.0 scores and it's free. That is not your credit score. That is a could be, possible, close to, maybe not, maybe so credit score, right? That is not your average. That is not your real credit score. I hate to tell you guys that, but it's not your credit score. You have to pay for that account. Your best place to go to check your 3 FICOs is Experian. It's $24.99 a month. You have it auto paid out your bank account, and you can be able to check your FICO scores and see what's going on and where you stand. All right. So boom. They want to see what's going on. They want to see the debt that you got going on. Do you got good payment history or do you got bad payment history? How many payments have you missed? If you even missed any, they can see that, right? So they want to see if you got this loan, are you going to be able to pay this loan back? Are you somebody who skips payments, missed payments, or are you somebody that got a good payment history? They want to see that, right? Boom. By you having all these things, that's going to generate you a credit score. And when you generate a credit score, that credit score, if it's good, that means everything that you have on your credit report, all those trade lines, you've been paying off on time and you've been doing what you're supposed to do. If you have a bad credit score, that means you have some things on your credit that you haven't been paying on and it's delinquent and you need to get caught back up on it. That's a major reason why a lot of people, hold on. Boom. Okay. That's why a lot of people don't get approved because they want to see, they want to make sure you're going to be able to pay back that money, this loan that you just got too, right? So it's a lot of, those are the major factors of getting approved for these loans and lines of credits and things like that, all right? So take that in consideration when I'm telling you guys in the beginning of my videos and giving you guys the sauce on how to correct these type of things so you can have a better chance of getting approved. Listen to me. So when I say, okay, if you got a bad credit score and if you got a bad credit score, I'm over here working, multitasking, my bad. If you got a bad credit score, you got collections on your account, you got inquiries, you got evictions, you got bankruptcies, all that. These are things that you can legally get removed off your credit. You just got to understand the things that I'm telling you. And if you need help, come get y'all lessons. So when I say, okay, anything 7 years or older on your credit report is classified as expired. So you go freeze your credit reports on Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you freeze them, then go dispute them. Because once you freeze your account and you dispute and they go to check and see the accuracy of those accounts, they can't get in, so they have no reason but to delete them off your credit. Boom. Now you're starting to clean up your credit. Then anything classified 7 years or older, like I said, is classified expired. So those going to start falling off too. Boom. Now you're going to start seeing fall offs. Now you're going to start getting points on your credit. Boom. I told you guys about the trade lines, how to add trade lines, authorized users. Authorized users are the credit card accounts that you need on your credit credit profile. The trade lines are the mortgage loans, auto loans, title loans, installment loans that you need on your account because you need a credit mixture on your credit profile in order to start getting approved for these major loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about Prosper personal loan up to $50,000, CPN friendly. You can easily get approved as long as you take the information that I give you, as long as you got your documents in order, as long as you pay attention and don't try to rush into it, you'll get approved. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about and check out Prosper Financial. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Prosper Financial. Personal loan rates as low as 6.99 APRs, all right? Fast, next business day funding, borrow up to $50,000, low fixed rate. Checking your rate won't affect your credit score, all right? So what our customers are saying, this is my third loan with Prosper. They are very efficient. I have never had any issues with them and have referred many friends. I had the best experience. The staff was friendly and helpful and explained everything clearly. Thank you. All right, so why choose Prosper? Fast. The get pre-qualified in minutes, fast, next day funding, flexible, choose 2 to 5 year loan terms, worry free. Keep money in your pocket with no prepayment penalties. All right, so check your rate. Check your rate won't affect your credit score. So it was just some more testimonies. It was quick and easy. Money was in my account within 2 days. 18 billion plus borrowed in loans, 1 million plus Prosper customers, 4.5 star credit karma rating. How it works. All right, so check your rate. Select your loan amount, answer a few questions, and get your lowest eligible rates instantly. Choose your loan. Choose the offer with terms that work best for you. Get your funds. Your money goes straight to your bank account via direct deposit. All right, so you got to have a bank account. A lot of y'all don't even have bank accounts. All right. Trusted by our customers. Excellent trust pilot score based on thousands of reviews. Support when you need it. We're here to help you every step of the way. Reach out with any questions. So then it goes into some information down here. So Prosper. Go check them out. Up to $50,000 personal loan. Minimal documents. Fair credit score accepted. CPN friendly. So go check them out. Go get approved. Go get you some money. All right. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Prosper Financial giving out personal loans, $50,000 personal loans. And like I said, anything under $50,000, you won't be required to, they won't ask for as much documents. For anything over, you're going to need a little bit more documents. So that's why we focus on anything under $50,000 when it comes to personal loans. All right. CPN friendly. You got a CPN, go check them out. All right. So make sure you go check them out. Prosper, Financial, go run up them bands, go get y'all some money, go invest, go do what y'all need to do, man. And really just start paying attention to these videos, because I promise you, y'all start paying attention to these videos and you start really interpreting what I'm saying, connecting the dots, watching other videos and connecting that video with this video, or what I said in this video to what I said in that video. I promise you, you'll start understanding way better. Start coming to get y'all lessons, because the lessons will help you a lot. I break down and I teach you everything that you need to know, and I explain it to you in a way for you to understand. All right, so make sure y'all getting y'all lessons. Shout out to all my King Hussle subscribers, fans, and supporters, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So that's what I'm gonna continue to do. All right, shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to clean and build your credit, get loans, lines of credit, credit cards, all that good stuff like that, tap in with me. I'm going to show you how to do that. That's $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so tap into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody looking to get some basic lessons, you want to learn how to, any basic lesson, it's going to be $500. All right, so pick your one basic lesson, and it's going to be $500. All right. Anybody out there looking to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, FaceTime one-on-one call, real quick and snappy. I'm going to give you the sauce, and you just go out there and start making it. $200. Don't waste my time. Make sure your money on your Cash App balance, and let's get to work. All right. Anybody out there looking to get unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones, it's $1,200. You're going to get all the unlimited gems, from CPN sauce to how to clean and build your credit, how to get loans, lines of credit, credit cards, documents, how to invest, how to build your credit, how to make passive income. Everything that you need to know, the methods out the book. So make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all unlimited gems. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all, tap in and get y'all mentorship. Yes, I'm taking people under my wing. I'm making money with people. So with the mentorship, you're going to get all the unlimited gems. Plus, you're going to get the DW information. Plus, we're going to start making YouTube automation channels together. Yes, we're going to start making money together. So if the channel start making 10,000, you're going to get 5, I get 5. If start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. As long as you put in the same work and effort and grind and time that I put in with the channel to help you get there, you'll be okay. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with y'all mentorships. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the in-person, the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, $3,500. If you come, it's $3,500. You come in state to me. $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now in the in-person limited gems crypto tour. All right, coming to a city near you. Also, still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, content creators, you name it. Tap in. Music reviews is $200. Come get your chain, come get your watch. Come start making money with your music. All right, you ain't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you? So make it make sense. Any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to work, that's ready to grind, that's ready to shine, you ready to put in that hard work and determination, that you got a good head on your shoulders, you don't got a bad attitude, you ready to build your brand and your platform, you ready to really do something in life that's productive and to be successful and become a real boss. Tap in with me. I'm going to put you in all the positions to win. Point blank, period. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. Point blank. I don't got time for bad attitudes or women who think they better than this or that. Nah, we ain't doing that over here. Teamwork make the dream work. No one's better than nobody. If you beautiful, you tired of taking these half-naked pictures, posting them on IG just to get likes, and you ready to start making money, you tired of checking your for free, you ain't getting no views or getting paid or getting monetized or checking your you tired of dropping these OnlyFans videos, and you ain't really got no fans, so you ain't really getting paid. Tap in. We're going to build your brand and your platform, and we're going to make sure you get paid. We're going to get paid together. All right, so teamwork make the dream work. Let's make it happen. I got you. Also, any cameraman out there, tap in. Any videographers, you got a good camera, 4K or better, you in Houston, Texas, or surrounding areas, or can travel, you actually go out there and shoot the video, and you come back and you edit the video. Good editing, good masking, good FX effects, all that. Got a cameraman right now on deck. I'm working with, shout out to Too Spicy Visuals out here in Houston, but I'm still looking for people, because more people, more content, the more work. All right, so tap in. All right, Let's get this money, man. The more content we put out, the more views we get, the more money we make. All right, so I'm looking for a good team of people to work with so we all can get paid, we all can make money, we all can elevate, we all can make a way and start doing what we need to do. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get these gems. Make sure you go follow me on all my social media platforms. Go run them followers up on my King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M IG pages. All the rest of my other IG pages. Go make sure you go subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all my YouTube channels. Go like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. Let's continue to grow. Let's continue to win. Let's continue to get this money, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Make sure you go tap into my community posts. Make sure you go tap into my Telegram. Got a lot of good things going on in there, man. You got 1K, want to make 11.5, tap in. You got 600, want to make 6,500, tap in. Got that Cash App glitch popping off. So make sure y'all tap in, man. Come get y'all gems, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.